Hello all and welcome to this short installation guide of the Olixar tempered glass camera protector. The process will only take a few minutes to complete, which will then leave you with the perfect protection to keep your camera lenses safe from damage. Within the pack you will receive everything that is needed to install the glass to your camera lenses. The pack will include wet wipes, dust removal stickers, guide stickers, a microfiber cloth, and of course the two protectors. To get started, take the wet wipe and clean away any dirt or grease from off the camera lenses. Next, take the microfiber cloth and wipe away any excess liquid that may be left from the wet wipe. When the area is completely dry, use the dust removal sticker to dab across the lenses to lift any dust or lint. We can now turn our attention to the glass protector itself. You'll need to place a guide sticker onto the glass protector. Now remove the glass from the plastic card. Avoid touching the sticky side of the protector. Then lower the glass onto the lenses of your device. Use the guide sticker to help you do so. To complete the process, give the glass a quick wipe over. And there you are, your camera lenses are now protected from any damage that may occur as a result of everyday use. The installation process is rather easy, though as the protector is so small it can be slightly fiddly to position. So I strongly recommend using the guide sticker to help you. The glass doesn't affect the picture quality of your Pixel 5. Therefore, you'll still be able to get the most out of your photography using the new and improved camera on the newest Google handset. Its slim construction doesn't lift too far from the lenses, so there'll be no visual distractions from the glass post-application, allowing for your camera lenses to receive almost invisible protection. If you would like to use Olixar's tempered glass camera protector for your Pixel 5, check out the link in the description and comments below to see where you can get your hands on it. For more content to keep you up to date with the latest tech and mobile accessories, please hit our like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.